Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine and enjoyed your holidays. I welcome you all to class foundation. Foundation is actually the basis of O levels. Okay, in this class you are going to start the syllabus which is included in your CAIE, and we are going to start from the syllabus of class 8. Before that, and we are going to complete the syllabus of class 7th, which we have not completed due to this pandemic situation. First of all, I can congratulate you all that you are promoted to foundation, and hope you are going to study with more concentration and with more dedication. I think I don't have to introduce myself. I am Ms. Zakia Qadri, your previous maths teacher. In class 7th I taught you, and in foundation also I am going to teach you mathematics. This is your book, Syllabus D Book 2, which you have already started in class 7th, and we are going to continue with this book in class 8 too. Along with this book, we are going to revise few chapters from book 1 also, as we have paper 1 and paper 2 in mathematics, and in paper 1 we are going to do short questions, and which can come from anywhere from the syllabus you have done in class 6th or class 7th, and you are going to do in foundation. And now we are going to start from the chapter sets. It is chapter number 14 in your book, sets. Actually, what sets are? In mathematics, we use the term set to describe any collection of well-defined and distinct objects. So, you have seen a set, or a tea set, a coffee set, a water set, glass and jug, etc. So these are like this. We are going to make sets, and we will start from exercise 14a, and we will discuss while doing the exercise anything which you need to understand. Now, exercise 14a, question number 2, let us discuss over here. State the number of elements in each of the following sets. The months of the year. You just have to state the number of elements. You know that there are 12 months in a year, and their names are different. They are distinct with each other and well defined also. So the months of the year, there are how many number of elements? There are 12 elements in the set, the months of the year. Question 2 part B is odd numbers between 10 and 26. You know that 10 and 26 both are even numbers, and between 10 and 26 are the odd numbers. Those are 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25. These are 8 numbers, 8 odd numbers between 10 and 26. So the solution is 8. There are 8 odd numbers between 10 and 26. Now the third question is people in your class who are taller than you. In this question there will be different answer for each student. If I can see, in this class, in your class, almost all of you students are taller than me, or maybe 1 or 2 girls are shorter than me. So we will count the number of students who are taller than ourselves, and every person has to count in the classroom how many students are taller than them. So this answer may be different for each student. Now because we are sitting in our home, so we can compare our height with our siblings, because we don't have students or friends with you in your drawing room or wherever you are taking this class. Now the part D is colors in your school flag. You know that White House Grammar School's school flag is red and white. So there are two colors only in your school's flag. So the number of elements in this set is 2. Next question is colors in the rainbow. We all know that there are 7 colors in rainbow. So the answer of this question is 7. Horoscope signs. You know that there are 12 months in the year, and there are also 12 horoscope signs which are like Taurus, Aquarius, Libra and so on. So we will write 12 is the number of horoscope signs. This was question number 2. It was so simple, so easy, and I hope you have understood it. Now we will try to do question number 4. It is actually question number 4 in your book, exercise 14A. List the elements of the following sets. You have to list the elements. Last time you have wrote only the number of elements in certain set. Now in question number 4 we are going to list all the elements. The first part is vowels in the word mathematics. Mathematics word has M-A-T-H-E, M-A-T-I-C-S. These all are the alphabets in mathematics. What you are going to write? You are going to write only the vowels, and you can find A in this, you can find E here, and you can find I here. Out of these alphabets of mathematics, there are 2 A's, but you know that in a set there are well defined and distinct objects. You are not going to repeat A another time. There are 2 A's, but you are going to write A once, and you are going to write E once, and you are going to write I once. Okay, so the elements in the word mathematics, the vowels in the word mathematics are A, E and I, and you are going to write it in this form. You are going to make a set in the curly brackets. You can see the examples before exercise 14A, and while you see this example number 1, number 2, you can understand more clearly. Now what you are going to do, part B of this question is the 7 colors in the rainbow. You are going to list the elements. So you are going to write all the elements, that is red, green, blue, orange, yellow, indigo and violet. These are the 7 colors which are in rainbow. Next is question number C, question 4, part C. Multiples of 9 which are less than 50. You all know that what are the factors, what are multiples. I am giving you one example, that is 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. These two are the factors of 8, and this 8 is the multiple of 2 and 4. So they are asking the multiples of 9. You know that the multiples of 9 are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45 and 9 6 is 54, and we have to write the number of multiples of 9 less than 50, and 54 is not included in this set. So the number of elements in this set are 1 2 3 4 5, and these 5 elements are the multiples of 9 which are less than 50. The next question is colors in your school flag. So you know that there are two colors in your school flag, that is red and white. You are going to write the names, and you have to write the curly brackets on either side of the set. Now the next question is even numbers which are between 10 and 23. You know that 10 is an even number, but 23 is an odd number. You have to write the even numbers between 10 and 23. So 10 is not included in these even numbers. Between 10 and 23 means the even number next to 10 is 12. So first element will be 12. After 12 you are going to write 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 and 22. And after 22, next even number is 24, which is greater than 23. So you have to stop at 22. How many numbers you can find? There are 6 elements in this set. Okay, I think this is end of our class. You have done question number 2 and 4. You can do the examples, worked example number 1, worked example number 2 at your home. You can do practice questions 2 from page number 395. So what is your homework? Your homework is page number 395. You are going to do worked example and practice questions number 1, worked example and 2. So worked example 1 and 2 and practice questions 1 and 2 are your homework. Thank you very much, class.